how to fix GTA 5 textures not loading isn't quick. It's an easy problem, and if you want to fix it, I will show you how. Now just right click on your GTA V icon, and then here click the last one, and after that you will find compatibility mode. Click on it, and you will find it like that. Then just enable then just go to change settings for all users, and enable run this program in compatibility mode, and select Windows 7. After that, click disable full screen optimization, and then run this program in as an administrator, and click OK and OK again. And that's it. Now all you need to do, just close all the applications that you don't need here, and then your problem must be fixed. And that's it. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.